In all my earlier videos, I had mentioned how Instagrammer and beauty expert Hitesha Chandrani, who accused the Zomato delivery boy Kamraj of assault, had repeatedly taken on Instagram to put her side of story. But she has refrained from going to the police with what she has to say. She claims to be in Bengaluru, but the police have no clue where she is. And now, even as she says that let the investigation continue, she is not coming forward to the police for questioning and helping in the probe, only putting Insta post, and the police has said the exact same thing that I have been saying so far. But the news that's coming in right now once again puts a big question mark on Hitesha's claims. The shocking news is that the Electronic City Police has decided to stop the investigation after not finding any evidence in the Zomato case. Listen carefully to what the investigating officer has told the media. He said, and I quote, "We tried to find evidence including CCTV footage, but so far nothing has been found, and the premise has no CCTV camera." Meanwhile, the woman Hitesha Chandrani is just posting her comments in social media accounts and is not coming to the station for questioning after the delivery boy filed a case of assault against her. So there is nothing more to investigate merely based on allegations from the accused and the woman. A senior police officer further said that when we called her to come for questioning, she said that she went to Maharashtra to meet her aunt. A day later, media reported that she has left the city, and again she posted a comment to claim that she has not gone anywhere and she's very much in Bangalore. Thus, we are also tracking her phone network location as part of the investigation. Her relatives told the police that Chandrani has health issues and had availed treatment in a private hospital. And this is not all. The police have further quoted the doctors who have clarified that Hitesha did not get punched. The police officer said, "We had sought medical opinion from St. John Hospital and primary observation revealed that the injury which she had on her nose is not the kind of an assault or punch. However, we are waiting for the final report." This is what the police said, and you heard that right. This is what the doctors treating Chandrani have told the Bangalore police, that Hitesha was not punched. Now, because of such new revelations daily, Hitesha Chandrani's case is getting weaker by the day. And to make the matters worse, she is not coming forward to the police to take the probe further. Many say that merely posting on Instagram is like crying wolf. Because if you have complained against someone to the police, then you also have to be available for the probe. So after all these developments, what is your take on this incident? Should Hitesha come clean on what happened that evening with the Zomato delivery boy Kamraj? And should she take back her complaint and apologize to Kamraj publicly if what she had said earlier is not true? Should she ensure that he gets his job back and also compensate him for all the mental, emotional and physical trauma that he has suffered? And most importantly, if she has falsely accused him, besides the law taking its own course, should Instagram also block her account for using it to spread a false narrative? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. But as always, thank you so much for watching.